Today, we are introducing you to ProSpect, our newest addition to the SE product lineup. With this project design, we purposely did not try to emulate SE itself. We've already got that. We wanted to focus on the actual process of greeting an existing customer, entering a new one, identifying a vehicle, and then intuitively start inspecting their vehicle. There are lots of ways to start the process. I'll show you one cool method right now. I can simply look up a vehicle by its license plate. ProSpect will allow users to either scan the license plate or the VIN code on the windshield or other locations. Once I select that option, all I have to do is frame the license plate and snap a picture. Now that I've decoded this plate, ProSpect looks back through the cloud into my SE database and finds out if this car belongs to a regular customer. If it wasn't found, I can simply start a new customer vehicle record right from here. In this instance, this is an existing customer, so I can select it and move on. I had an existing estimate already started, which I can access and continue with, or start a new one if that makes sense. We can now see the jobs that the vehicle originally came in to get performed in the items list. Selecting Add Item just above those existing items allows me to either add an additional CAN job or a multi-point inspection to that order. I'm going to select MPI to open up the list and choose one of the multi-point inspections. Users can select from any number of inspections they've created on the Manager SE system. Here is one of our sample inspection templates. I'm going to select Interior-Exterior Inspection. Check this out. It's a simple green, yellow, red indicator with the ability to add notes or pictures to any of the specific line items. The tire inspection section is also very detailed. Note that we have all 4 tires displayed on screen at once. From here, the user can enter tire measurements, tire pressure in and out, and visual indication of each of the tire's actual condition. The shop's measurement parameters are set up inside the SE program in the shop. In this case, we've recorded a measurement of 1/32 tread depth on the tire. The red check marks automatically set themselves, so the inspections remain consistent based on the shop manager or owner's preferences. If the recorded measurement was changed instead to be 7/32, notice how that value automatically changes status to green, confirming the tire is in good shape. Users can input the in-tire pressure, which automatically sets the out pressure at the same value. This design behavior makes it super quick to overwrite that value if pressure was added. Just tap the plus sign until it's at the pressure you set the tire for. What if the tire depth was fine, but there's a slash in the sidewall? We can override the wear pattern / damage analysis. When we do that, we'll automatically be presented a comment window in which a note can be recorded to indicate why this tire got a defective rating. That's very intuitive. And again, a picture can be taken and then drawn on to bring attention to the area of the tire listed as having a defect. Because some shops may have fairly elaborate inspections which occur at different times while the vehicle is in the shop, and may even be performed by different inspectors or technicians, it's important to know at a glance what's been done in the entire inspection routine. This visual tally makes it very handy for a supervisor to confirm that all vehicle inspection items have been completed before he returns that vehicle to the owner. And now that multi-point inspection shows up in the items list displayed for this customer's document. Selecting Add Item provides access for me to either add another inspection or possibly a CAN job. When I select CAN jobs, this will provide access to choose one for transfer. This is the shop's own familiar CAN jobs from the shop's SE database. This makes selection and transfer of one or more jobs to the vehicle document very quick. Back at the SE orders screen, you'll see an indication when an MPI or multi-point inspection is available for the vehicle, and a numerical value represents the number of inspections available for review. Clicking on that MPI button will open a screen preview that shops can view or use to review this inspection with the customer. It can also be exported as PDF or JPEG via email, or you can print it out for potential attachment to the customer's invoice. ProSpect will provide sample inspection templates in the Template Manager screen. These can be customized by the shop to meet their specific needs. Click New to start from scratch, or duplicate for a head start and then add, remove, or rearrange the sequence of items to arrive at the desired inspection layout. We've optimized ProSpect for either form factor, and if an inspection is started on one, say on an inspection tablet, then a tech later wants to retrieve it to complete an inspection on the phone, no problem. In some instances, such as the tires inspection, we can't possibly fit all that tablet content onto a phone screen, so we divide the page columns to modify the display for iPhone. It's also handy for a manager to be able to check the progress of the service advisor's inspection from his phone. So that's ProSpect. We believe this is the ultimate customer greeter digital visual inspection application on the market.